Good morning again, students. This is the second part of the chapter development, class 10, subject social science. I hope you remember in the previous part, in the first part, we concluded the notion of development for individuals. There are two things. Number one, that different persons can have different developmental goals, and second, what may be development for one may not be development for others. In some cases, it could be conflicting or even destructive for others. That's all what we have discussed in the first part. Now move to the next heading of your NCERT given on your page number 6, that is income and other goals. So students, what comes in your mind when you think of the well-being of your family or for yourself? Naturally it comes higher earning, more income, uh, material well-being, or if you are farmer like Tejpal Singh we discussed earlier, he would like to have better price, decent prices for the crop he has produced or the other product. So more or less it is a common goal among all the individuals that we want better earning, more income. But does it mean that only income or earning is required? I don't think so. There are various other things that is equally important besides income, like freedom, respect in the society, dignity, no discrimination. These are the aspects that every human being aspire for, every human being to make the aspiration and desire to be given. Take one example. Suppose if a female worker is getting a job where earning is good, she should be accepting that job. But the environment surrounding her, what I want to say that she is expected to be discriminated, or if she is already working, she is discriminated there or not treated with that dignity and respect by her own male counterpart. I don't think she would be continuing with the job in spite of that there is a good earning or good opportunity. So what we can conclude here, that it is not the only income, there are various other things that means equally important in our life. Though it is not measurable doesn't mean it is not important in the life. Let us take few examples to help us understand how it is important. Another person who is getting a job at far off place, a very good earning opportunity with a very good salary, but there are various constraints that this person would like to go. Because he will be going to far off place, maybe he will think that he will be keeping himself away from his family and friends, and if the family and friends is equally important for him, he might not be accepting that job. Suppose he has a choice to take his family member along with him, then he will have another criteria: what facilities are available at that workplace in the city where he is likely to take up the job, whether there are good hospitals, whether there are good schools available for his children, whether there are good cinema hall or shopping complex or other basic facilities what it is expected from every family member. So he may be accepting these jobs based on these other aspect that is beyond income. Take one more example. Suppose that person gets a job with a very high earning opportunity, but he has noticed that somehow he comes to know that the place where he is being offered a good job opportunity, there is no sense of job security. He may be given a good salary, but at any moment of time he can be fired from his job, he can be forced to leave his job. On the other side, he has opportunity to work at a lesser salary, but there is a very good job security for him. He might be choosing the less income but better job opportunity. That's another example which gives an idea to all of us that sometime the sense of security, sometime the job security, our closeness to our near and dear ones is equally important. These are not measurable. We cannot measure love and affection for our family, but these are important. It is not measurable something like what amount of money we are earning, but it is important. Your book has given one more example of a female worker, that when female worker becomes when female worker starts working, their dignity and respect actually becomes more in the society, in the family itself. And when they are being provided more respect, it is a more chance of sharing of the household work by their family members. And if such thing do take place, it is like they might become an inspiration. These women who are working already outside country, in country like India, becomes an inspiration that they could be there could be other women following them and wanting to do the job and going outside. That's the one of the aspects. But these women would like to have sense of security. That's why in the later part of this textbook it is mentioned that the most ideal profession for female worker in India is still the teaching profession, because it allows them to have a good opportunity to work in the office in a period of time from early morning till the afternoon, and after that they can devote time to their family members. This is the advantage. And the sense of security is also there. On the other side, working in suppose BPO industry or call centers, there may be issues like their security. So many women would not like to go and accept the job in such places. So we have concluded that there are mix of goals. This is the third notion of development for individual, that mix of goal. All the people aspire and people look for mix of goal, income plus other thing like love and affection for the family, respect, freedom, dignity, and society free from workplace, free from any discrimination. Now moving to another part from the same page, your book has given you few questions. On your part, it is expected to sort out. Student, there are 4 questions you are being given and you are expected to find out the answer. I would suggest go through this and try to write the answer yourself. In case you are having any problem, you write it down in your notebook, or put the tick mark on the textbook so that you can ask later to your subject teacher. I won't be giving answers as this is not going to be fair from my side. Now moving to the next heading is national development. Your next heading is national development, and very interesting factor about this national development is we have seen that the notion of development for individual is not same. 3 notion of development so far we could understand. What about national development? Suppose in the classroom, if teacher asks to all the students that give what you think that country can develop, what you think that the country, our country India can develop, you will be surprised to see that all the students will give different answer, because their opinion about the development of the nation will not same. You will find that one child might say that the country free from corruption will be truly developed. Another child will say that country free from all bias approach towards the weaker section of society, towards the women, will be truly developed. You will find that another person will say that when the country will have a much more better infrastructure and much more higher economic growth with high GDP and high per capita income, then the country will develop, and many answers like this will keep coming. So this gives us an opportunity that, like our notion of development for individual was not same among the people, development for the nation is also not same. You are likely to get different answer for the nation development. Different people will have different notion for the national development, as well as their ways of developing will not be same. If you remember in class 9th, you had a chapter Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution, where you came to know that under the Marxian philosophy, the country can achieve development by completely different means than it was suggested by the capitalist economy. So the capitalist and communist, 2 economies, want to make their development in a different manner, in the different ways. So we have understood that the development, notion of development is also not notion of development for the nation, for the country is also not same. Student, we on the next page we have a picture showing us high-rise building. There people are living in apartment. You can easily guess going to this picture that the people Of course, the upper section of society is living in these apartments, but in front of that apartment there is slum area, the poor people living on, those who are not authorized. So your book is asking a question. I'm reading this one for you. Look at the picture on the right. What should be the developmental goals for such an area? And I must be telling you one thing, that the developmental goals for the two different section will be not same. Suppose the person who is living in these apartment would definitely not like the existence of slum in front of his apartment, because it is not giving a very good impression to his friend and family members who are coming to his apartment. But on the other side, people, those who are living in slums, don't have other place to go there, so they would like to continue to live over here, or if anything they are wanting better than this, they are wanting to have similar places for themselves to be living over there. On the same place, there is another story taken from the continent of Africa. The country is Ivory Coast, and there is a city Abidjan. It has been noticed that a multinational company has thrown some liquid toxic waste in there, and because of that many people had developed various health related issues. 26,000 people, it is written over here, has been treated for the symptoms of poisoning, and many people have died. Many people have found the causes, found that they have skin rashes, fainting, diarrhea or other common symptoms. And also to treat this toxic waste, multinational company has hired a local company, because this multinational company is dealing with petroleum and metals waste, that is the cause of concern for this area. You are being asked the question, read this newspaper report and answer the question that follows. So few questions are there. Who are the people who benefited and who did not? You read it and you will get an idea very easily. What should be the developmental goal for this country? Easily you can guess that people who are living over here would immediately want one thing for themselves, that this area where they are living, their city, should be free from all this toxic waste. Somehow the management of these toxic waste are their utmost requirement, because it is a health related issues for them, which could be more than the earning or any other criteria. Next question, there is question number 3. What can be some of the development goals for your village, town or locality? Again student, it depends what problem do you have. Maybe there are different section among all of you. Maybe one student who lives in a particular area where there is no street light in the gully, mohalla or the street where they are living, so they would like that there has to be street light. Another area where there is a power consumption, irregular power consumption problem is there, so they would like to get sorted out, and various other problem can be discussed in this part. A student, in the next part, part number 3, we shall start from another area, that how to compare different countries or state. So I would suggest that you keep doing whatever work I've been suggesting you, and again I'm reminding you, my all content is based on NCERT textbook. I'm making sure that all lines has been explained. If any line remains unexplained, you kindly discuss with your subject teacher. Few students are asking question also. I'm trying hard to give the answer, but because answers, so many questions are being asked, I'm not getting enough time to answer. So there is no problem. Well, while going back to your schools, you will be in a state to discuss the answer. Thank you student. Before I say goodbye to you, I would suggest, because this another query is coming, that the students are not knowing whether updates has been made or the new videos has been uploaded. I would suggest to subscribe my channel, so naturally in your mobile phone you will get the update if any new video will be uploaded. Thank you students.